back to the channel. So today's video will be a DIY, and I'm going to create some abstract art using these canvases that I picked up from Dollarama. They are 18 by 24. I'm just going to create something that, you know, is personalized by me for my bedroom, because art can be really expensive, and it's also so relaxing to create artwork. And like I said, have something personalized that you created in your home. So I'll be using these canvases, and I have a few of the Deco Art Crafters acrylic paint that I got from Dollarama. I may give them a coat of white, even though that they are white, but I may give them a coat of the same Deco Art acrylic Crafters acrylic paint before I start with the black paint. So let's get started and see how this turns out.
Take it away, feeling too good to me, Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be, Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Here I'm just mixing part water, part paint to create some nice little speckles and polka dots. It helps to take your artwork up a notch. It gives it a lot more character and also, you know, a lot more personality. Recreating a second piece and following the same steps, and together they'll look beautiful in my bedroom. You can place these canvases anywhere in your home. They'll definitely brighten up and create beautiful focal points in any room.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
My goodness, guys, I love how beautiful my canvas art turned out. It looks amazing above my bed, guys. It creates a really nice focal point, especially when you're entering into the room. Even at night, I find nighttime looks of your space look really, really nice, especially with the light on. It just light up and illuminates your artwork and things like that. And artwork, guys, is so hard to find, especially I find it really hard to find artwork here in Canada. And I also find it really hard to find pieces and colors of artwork that go with your theme and what you love decorating your home with. So it's always a pleasure to be able to purchase canvases and just get inspiration from others, or just let the paintbrush guide you and just create what you like for your space and create something on a budget that gives you that luxe look for less. I really enjoyed doing this. Art is so relaxing to do, so I would definitely recommend you guys try painting your own artwork. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend or family. It really helps out the channel. Shout out to Barb and Petal is Blessed and Sandy. And shout out to all of my new family members here on the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and becoming a member. I hope I continue to inspire you all. Shout out to Shauna Laquelle for always coming back and supporting me as well within the short time that we've known each other. And also giving me tips and great ideas for my channel. Thanks for the shout out in your motivational yard work cleaning video. I enjoyed watching it, and definitely check her out, guys. She'll give you some great ideas for your front backyard as well as for your deck, especially with the weather getting so beautiful. Now, guys, if you enjoyed DIYs, hauls, thrifting, inspirational organizing and cleaning videos, and lots of home decor ideas as well as cooking, definitely subscribe to the channel because I love sharing content like that here on Glam Designs by Anne. And I want to thank you all again for stopping by. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and until next time, see you. Bye.